Right, this is a short video for myself. Record diagnostics ABS sensor 2006 335 with an N52 engine. This has no wheel speed sensor. It was a dead fault, so we got a new sensor. It still doesn't reproduce, doesn't produce a signal. So I can remove the sensor from there, and I can apply with a magnet, and it will show a speed just using this magnet. The signal on this sensor is really fast. It has even a diagnostic signal right along the 12 volt. Not sure why is the trigger not being able to pick it up, because I can definitely see it in there. It's such a fast signal, the trigger is not even able to pick it up. Let me see if I change the type to be pulse width. Let me change that. Nope, no pulse width. Window drop. Turbo. Nope. Level drop. Nothing. Trying to pick up one. That one. Okay, so use the runt. That stops the signal perfectly. Excellent. All right, so that will be able to see the signal. It's very small. It goes from, again, this is with DC coupling. So if I go here, I can go back to the DC normal signal. I won't have to put them in more than 20 volts. Sorry, because that's battery voltage. Let me move this trigger up. Oop, too much. Make it too big. But so the signal is right there. Come on. See, it's very hard to see if I put them in 20 or 12 volts. See, I cannot see it, even with the same trigger. And I know it's there, we know it's there. But so if I use AC coupling, now this is gonna be dropping down here. Something changed. Come on. Up. Just gotta change the voltage, right? Because I was still in 20 volts. See, if we make now this even half a volt per division, we can see the signal running along, and we can stop it with that one. But so this is a diagnostic. I am in the voltage side of the signal, which is yellow with the black, and the other one, even though the snap and information center, that is a signal, I didn't see the signal going in there. Let me move it over into that. Because as you can see, we got nothing. I cannot reproduce a signal. I'm going to move the sensor out of there. Make sure we're not missing anything on the other side. Nope. I'm going to use the magnet on that one. We're on the ground side signal. Or sorry, on the supposed to be the signal, which is the yellow with the brown. And using the magnet, nothing is happening on the screen. I can see a speed by doing this. Look at the scanner. And we can see a speed on the right. We're on the right rear. So I'm going to change this again to the other wire, which is the one with the 12 volts. Immediately we can see that diagnostic signal right there, which is, oops, that's a lot of glare. No, that's from my light. Well, and the light behind me. What I want you to see is when I'm applying the speed, we can see the difference on the signal immediately. See that? All right, so this is how we diagnose this. Let me see if I can go back and see one where I am applying and see the sick right there. Okay, perfect. This is me applying the speed, and it's bigger than half volt per window. Is maximum 500 to minus 500, so we can go even to 1 volt if I want to, but I mean, this is perfect. Well, this is for my own, to remember how to test this one. I also have this other sensor that Andrew gave me. This is an inductive sensor that has the same connector. If I use this sensor and I just put the magnet on the front, I'm able to even pull the signal down. So it's a very different sensor, but it works for diagnostics because I can see the signal. With this one, I know that we have a speed. I'm gonna put the old sensor here.